In front of me is Blackview A200 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google. Select Google Password Manager and tap on the password that you wish to delete. Then enter your screen lock, hit the Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!